5 ways teachers and students can stay organized in school. What are useful ways to staying organized in school? Welcome to our Kitchen to Classroom series, where we will look at 5 topics in which the kitchen inspires education. This video will focus on the importance of organizational skills when it comes to teaching and learning in education. This video attempts to answer this question by focusing on 5 ways to stay organized. The 5 ways are to write it down, label it, categorize it, schedule it, establish a routine. So what is it? Whatever you need to keep organized. How to keep organized from kitchen to classroom. Keeping organized in the kitchen means everything is in its proper place, stored well, and labeled as it should be. When it comes to meal prep or cooking, we keep all ingredients ready by organizing them before we cook. In school, teachers and students need to keep their supplies, goals, and thoughts organized. So we will keep this in mind as we go through the rest of this video. We now will look at the 5 ways teachers and students can stay organized at any stage in school. Number 1, write it down. One way to stay organized is to write down what needs to be organized. When you write down what supplies you need, what thoughts need to be expressed, or what goals need to be met, then keeping organized will be easy. Number 2, label it. Keeping your supplies labeled makes it much easier to find or to remember what its purpose is for. Labeling your thoughts helps manage your emotions. How can we label our thoughts? By deciding its function. Is it to judge? Is it to plan? Is it to make someone laugh? Labeling your goals makes it easier to see whether or not you can achieve it or not. Number 3, categorize it. So what is the difference between labeling and categorizing things or ideas? In labeling, we recognize its purpose or function. In categorizing, we create groups we can label. Categorizing just makes everything look nicer. Your supplies such as pens or papers or color-coordinated file folders will be easier to find. Categorizing your thoughts as positive or negative will help you see how to get rid of those negative thoughts. Categorizing your goals as now or later will help you see how easy it is to meet your goals. Number 4, schedule it. After you categorize your work, thoughts, or goals to do as now or later, you can make achieving your purpose, goals, and communicating much easier. Schedule work or goals that can get done easier first. That way you build your confidence in getting the harder work or goals done later. Scheduling your thoughts is as simple as think before you speak. Number 5, establish a routine. In getting supplies you need for school, think about getting them ready at the same time every day. For example, get your school supplies ready the night before so that you don't have to rush in the morning. Routines are like habits when it comes to your thoughts. Get into the habit of using kind words even if you don't feel like it. Setting goals doesn't have to be something big. A simple goal of brushing your teeth every morning and night is not too much to ask. Join us today. At the end of this video, sign up to get your free copy of our Recipes for Learning guide and more from EduKitchen Recipes for Learning. Final thoughts. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful for building good organizational skills that will help with your educational goals, whether you are a teacher or student or both. Leave us a comment below to let us know your thoughts on our ideas on the importance of building your organizational skills in education. For more educational videos from EduKitchen Recipes for Learning, please like, share, and subscribe to EduKitchen Recipes for Learning. Check out our other videos in our Kitchen to Classroom series where we look at each individual skill in greater detail. And until next time, keep learning and have fun. Thanks for watching.